Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Stromberg Carlson rotary wall telephone. It's an 1157, and this is John's equipment from MA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done with this unit. And we've already spent a lot of time cleaning this telephone equipment up. It was very dirty and dusty. John saved this telephone from a building that they were tearing down, and they must have been already in the process of demolition because this telephone was very dirty and it had a real thick layer of plaster dust on this unit. And so we've cleaned the telephone up just so that we could start working on it. Now we want to run through a little bit about the receiver capsules. He has sent 2 units in, and they were both broken pretty bad. We've already worked on this receiver capsule, and we're going to go ahead and use this unit. We have some more work that we need to do, and then we're going to take our pick of our actual receiver capsule, and we want to troubleshoot both of these units, and we're going to use the best one out of the 2, and hopefully we can get enough audio out of these units, and we'll try to utilize the original equipment. Now we've only cleaned the telephone so that we could start working on it at this point, but we want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial, and we also want to remove the transmitter. It has the old diaphragm style transmitter. We're going to be installing an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and it will have a high quality transmit power, and you will not have to get right up on the spit cup to have a conversation with this telephone. We also want to go through the hook switch, our network, our bell circuit, and all of the wiring in this unit. We want to install a black round 4-foot cord for the receiver capsule, and we're going to go through the entire telephone, and we're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this unit. It's a very cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, so we're going to get a start on the troubleshooting, repairing, and the conversion of this really cool telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool Stromberg Carlson rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. When this telephone came in, John had sent 2 Stromberg Carlson receivers, and we were just going to pick one and repair it. And we're going to go ahead and return this unit back to John. Now, we were able to repair and do the body work on the receiver capsule, and we utilized the original diaphragm design. So that's all original. We also installed a 4-foot receiver cord. That's what John wanted. And we went through the rotary. That was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. And we have a nice, smooth return on our rotary now. We also installed an amplified electronic transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. And they are very sensitive. You have plenty of transmit power. And we use an amplifier on our final checkout. And so since the transmitter is so sensitive and we use the amplifier to pick up the audio, it's going to feed back. So we need to take this piece of material and go ahead and cover the transmitter, and that way when we use the amplifier during the final checkout, we will not get the feedback that you would normally get. And this is our pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the receive from a telephone. And we're going to set this one to the side because we already have one located inside this unit at the network. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I want to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. It's really quiet tonight. We also installed a modular line port on the inside of this telephone so that you could simply bring in any length, any color line cord that you choose and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And we're going to go ahead and do a still picture of that. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we've used this telephone, so we know the transmit works. But if you watch that red light there, even though it's covered up at the transmitter, you can see that red light is trying to light up. So it has a high quality transmit power and it's very sensitive. So you will not have to get up on the spit cup to talk into this telephone. We can go ahead and hang our receiver up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, it's dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Thursday, June 29th. The current time, 9:31 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Stromberg Carlson rotary wall telephone 1157 has been repaired and converted, we can return it to John and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.